issued a flash flood warning. I missed it. Yes, alert. There's 2 severe thunderstorm warnings. They're about to issue a flash flood warning in just a few seconds on the TV. Even though I can't because I have a computer plugged into right here. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Southwestern Alabama County and east central Colorado until 4:45 p.m. At 4:20 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over southwestern Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, flash flood warning. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage. Oh, there it goes. Doing this down here. These bad audio. Until 6 p.m. At 4:26 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the northern area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include southwestern Colorado Springs, Strathern, and Fort Carson. Turn around. I miss you. Miss you too.